Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a table in Microsoft window. Before going to that, I will open Microsoft Word window. First of all, click on Start menu, point to All Programs, then Microsoft Office. Finally, click on Microsoft Word 2007. So this is the Microsoft window. In this, how to insert or how to create a table in the document. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Tables allow large amount of text or numbers to be presented in an organized and easy to read manner. In this, you can enter any kind of information like student number, student name, employee names, any type of information. So what are we late? Let's start our session. Table creation. There are three ways to create or insert a table in the Word document. First way is, before going to that, place the cursor where you want to insert a table in the document. Then go to Insert menu. In the table group, click the table icon so that the Word will display a drop down list. In this, it will show a grid of rows and columns. Then select just how many rows and how many columns you want. Then finally click on the grids. So the table will be appear in your document. Second way is, go to Insert tab or menu. In the table group, click on table icon. So the Microsoft Word display a drop down list. In this list, click on Insert table. So a small dialog box will appear on your screen. Here in this option, you can enter how many columns and how many rows and then click on OK. So here I am entering 5 columns and 5 rows. So finally then click on OK button. So the table will appear on the screen. The third way is, Insert menu, click on table icon, then click on Draw table. So in this option, it appears a one small pencil. So by using that pencil, you can draw your table as you wish. So like this. So here I am drawing one table, one row. So again one row option and second row. So similarly draw columns like this. Okay, like this you can draw your own table. That means how many rows you want and how many columns you want. So that is based on your drawing. So okay, these are the three ways to insert or create a table in the document. So in this option, I will show you one example how to create total table in the document. So for this, so I will delete entire table. So I will show you one example that is to create class timetable. Okay, by using table. So you can, in this option you can use any method, either first method, second method or third method. So you can use any type of any method to draw or to create or insert a table in the document. So here I am using first method. So what is the first method here? So go to Insert tab, click on table icon and select the grid of columns and rows. That means how many columns and how many rows you want. So then finally click on that. So here I want 7 columns and 2 rows. So click on that. When you draw a table, okay, in the Word document, so the two menus will appear on the menu bar. The first one is layout button or menu, and second one is design button. So by using these two options, you can modify your table, okay, like that means give some styles to the table or some layout options. So whatever it is. Okay, in this box I am typing, okay, first one, okay, periods, first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth one, sixth periods. So this is the extra option. So later we will delete that column. So then move to next row. I am pressing only tab key in the keyboard. So first one, Monday, okay, for example English. Second period, it's a second language, and third one, it is a FA, and fourth one, it is IT, and fifth one, it is BOM, and sixth one, IP, sorry, sixth one IP. So insurance promotion. So like this, these are the 6 periods. So then you can add another row. That means you want to create another row, that is to Tuesday. So go to insert option, okay, in the ribbon, go to ribbon. So in this option, click on insert above or insert below, insert left, insert right. So these are the 4 options. So insert above and insert below, so these options will insert row above or row below, and insert left, insert right, okay, these options will insert the columns left or right. So that is based on your cursor. So where the cursor position is placed, so it will be add below or above or left or right options, okay. So or simply you can use tab key in the keyboard, so automatically the next row will be added like this. So then type another day like Tuesday, so and type first period, second period, up to 6 periods. Then you can create another row, okay, simply press on tab key from the keyboard. So automatically the third row, okay, next is next fourth row, okay. So many types, okay, many rows will be created, okay, by using just tab key from the keyboard. Finally you finish that, that means you complete the table. So then apply a table styles. After completing your table creation, select the entire table. So when you select the entire table, the design tab will appear on the menus bar. So in this option, it shows different types of styles. So these are the different types of styles, okay. You can choose any type of template or design and apply it to your table. So like this. So for example, I will click on one table. So this is the table design. You can apply any type of styles, okay, and choose it, apply to your table. So this is the table design, applying table design to your documentation. So this is the totally how to create or insert or how to draw a table in the document.